Welcome to the Python leather process. Watch carefully till end.
Here the pythons rest, play, and grow under supervision.
Robotic machines feed the animals carefully, ensuring proper growth daily.
Check Section 4, Enclosure 7.
Looks clear on my end. Vitals are stable.
Animals are caged gently, ensuring comfort and safety always.
Transport vehicles move animals carefully to the next factory stage.
Animals are unloaded carefully for thorough health inspection today.
Each python enters health check, ensuring quality and safety standards.
Selected pythons are moved carefully to the assembly line next.
Machines wash the pythons carefully, cleaning their scales thoroughly.
Pythons display natural behaviors, indicating health and comfort levels.
Animals are shifted carefully to cutting chamber, maintaining safety.
Fresh python skins arrive for careful cleaning and preparation immediately. Excess chemicals are removed carefully to prepare skins for softening.
Pause the conveyor on line 1. The robotic arm needs to reset the temperature sensor.
Leather is softened carefully to achieve flexibility for jacket production.
Chemical stabilizers enhance leather durability and prepare skins for color treatment.
Residual chemicals are removed carefully to preserve leather quality.
Check the concentration levels again. They seem low.
Running the calibration now.
Tanned skins are drained gently, ready for drying and conditioning. Skins are dried carefully to preserve texture and flexibility.
Increase the tension on roller 3.
Confirmed. Tension adjusted.
Final chemical treatment enhances durability and prepares skins for color and sheet formation.
Skins are dried precisely to remove moisture while preserving natural textures.
Skins are dried carefully to achieve optimal moisture for dyeing.
Skins are conditioned mechanically to ensure soft, supple leather for premium products. Skins are dyed carefully for uniform color and enhanced texture.
Leather is softened carefully to enhance flexibility and tactile quality post-dyeing.
Skins are mechanically conditioned to achieve optimal softness and suppleness for production.
Skins are aligned carefully, ready for sheet formation and production.
Skins are spread precisely, ready for accurate panel cutting. Cutting is performed precisely to produce uniform, high-quality jacket panels.
Panels are stitched meticulously to form the core structure of each jacket.
Panels are aligned precisely to begin the initial jacket assembly.
Pockets are stitched precisely to match jacket design specifications. Collar and cuff edges are trimmed meticulously for clean finishes.
Zippers are adjusted carefully for smooth operation and perfect alignment.
Each jacket is inspected carefully to ensure flawless surfaces and stitching.
Look at the sensor readings on this batch, B.
Acknowledged. The sheen is flawless.
Edges and seams are checked meticulously to ensure professional quality. Leather surfaces are refined carefully to achieve consistent texture and sheen.
Looks like the rollers are perfectly calibrated now.
Yes, the elasticity is exactly where we need it.
Leather surfaces are buffed carefully to enhance smoothness and visual appeal. Jackets are aligned carefully, ready for packaging and market preparation.
The tensile strength data looks good.
Confirmed.
We can approve this lot for packaging.
Protective coatings are applied carefully to preserve leather during transit.
Jackets are stored carefully, ready for packaging and market launch.
Load sequence is approved for Bay 3.
Copy that. Swinging the next pallet in now.
Finished jackets are dispatched carefully, beginning their journey to stores worldwide.
Jackets are displayed carefully to attract customers and showcase craftsmanship.
The lining is so soft. It's soft.
Yes, it's a silk blend. Let me check the stock for you.
We have plenty in the back.
Products are repackaged carefully, ensuring readiness for future shipments.
Robots and machinery shut down carefully, concluding the production day.
Thank you for watching our journey, from python skin to premium bomber jackets.